Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. See question number see question number 3, A part. 5 over 2 into a minus b plus 4 over 3 into b minus a. These are two fractions and separated by plus signs. If the fractions are separated by plus or minus sign, we have to take their LCM and then we can solve them easily. So see here, their denominators are not same, and we should try to make their denominator same, and if they are complex, then they should be simplified. Here the denominators are simple, but they need some arrangement. Therefore I am going to arranging these denominators. Here 4 over 3 into b minus a, and we can change this arrangement as a minus b. So minus a and plus b here. Now in the second step, 2 into a minus b will remain same, but here 4 over, bring this minus sign out of the bracket, it will become minus 3 into a minus b. Due to this minus sign, inner sign will change during the formation of bracket. Now 5 over 2 into a minus b, and this minus and this plus makes plus minus minus here, and 4 over 3 into a minus b. Now you can see that a minus b are same, and 2 and 3 are different. We can take its LCM, and you know that simple method of taking LCM as we take in our lower levels, 3 into a minus b. I have written this and this denominator here and separated by a comma. Now you see that we can divide these by a minus b. If we divide these by a minus b, here 2 will remain, and a minus b when divided, there will be 1, and when this is divided by a minus b, here again will remain 1 only. And now you can divide these by 2, here 1 only, this 2 will become 1, and 1 ones are 1, and this 3 will remain same, 3 ones are 3. Now if you divide it by 3, both will become 1. Now 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by a minus b, this is our LCM. You can simplify this LCM to some extent only. 2 3s are 6, 6a minus b. You should not multiply this 6 into a minus b, because if you multiply it, it will become complex, and we want simplicity here, so we will not multiply this. Now 6 into a minus b is our LCM, and we will write it on a longer line, and then we will divide this LCM by this number. 6 into a minus b is our LCM. I have written here. Now I am going to divide it by this denominator of first fraction, that is 2 into a minus b. You know that a minus b can be cancelled out, and 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. So 3 is our answer here. Now this 3 should be multiplied by the numerator like that. Now you should take this LCM again, 6 into a minus b, and you will divide this by 3 into second denominator of second fraction. You know that 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, and a minus b can be cancelled out. Answer is 2 here. This 2 will be multiplied by the numerator. Now write it 5 3s are 15 minus 4 2s are 8 over 6 into a minus b. You know that when 15 is subtracted by 8, the answer is 7 and over 6 into a minus b. Dear students, see here c minus 1 over 3c minus 7. This is simple, but this denominator is complex to some extent, so we should simplify this denominator as well. I am going to simplify it. You know that we can take 2 as common from 14 and 6. If I take 2 as common, then there will be 2 7s are 14 and 2 3s are 6. Now this denominator has changed like that, but it needs, here is 7 and here is 7 and 3c and 3c. Both the denominators are need to change their arrangement, so we should change the arrangement of this denominator or this, whatever you like. You can change the arrangement of this denominator as well, and then we will take its LCM. Now see here, c minus 1 over 3c minus 7. I am going to change the arrangement of this denominator 2 into minus 3c plus 7 here, just like the first part. And now c minus 1 over 3c minus 7, and this minus sign here, 1 over minus 2 into 3c, and this plus will become minus due to this minus sign outside the bracket. Now simplify it further. C minus 1 over 3c minus 7, this minus and this minus makes plus, minus minus plus, 1 over 2 into 3c minus 7. Now you see here that 3c minus 7, 3c minus 7 are same, and we know that when we take LCM, same is taken one time, so 3c minus 7 is taken one time, and 2 is not same, it is different, because here is not 2, so 2 will be also taken as LCM. So 2 into 3c minus 7 is our LCM. You can take LCM like this, as well as simply by taking same as common and not same as well. So this is our LCM. Divide this LCM by this number. 3c minus 7 will be cancelled out. This 3c minus 7 will be cancelled out by this. Only 2 will be our answer, and this 2 will be multiplied by the numerator. So write here 2 into c minus 1. You can do it like this one, but I have explained you, and you will do this on yourself. Now if you divide this LCM by this one, only 1 will be remainder there, and this one will multiply by this one. Write this plus sign here and 1 here, and this one is due to this cancellation. This denominator when divided by this one, answer will be 1 here. Now 2c minus 2 1s are 2, 2 here and plus 1 here, 1 1s are 1, and in the denominator 2 into 3c minus 7. Now you know that 2c is different term, and minus 2 and plus 1 are same terms, so both can be added or subtracted according to their signs, and these are opposite signs, so opposite signs are always subtracted, and we can remove 1 from 2. The answer will be minus 1, because minus 2 is a bigger term, so we will write the sign of bigger term, that is minus, and in the denominator we will write same. See here 10f minus 5d and 6f minus 3d. we can simplify this denominator as well as this denominator. Let us try it. 4f over, we can take 5 as common, so 2f minus d. Because when we take 5 as common, 10 can be divided by 5, answer is 2, and 5 divided by 5, answer is 1d or 1. And then this plus sign, and 2d is already simplified, but 6f and 3d can be divided by 3 only, and when 3 is taken as common, 3 2s are 6, 2f minus 3 1s are 3, so d here. 2f and 2f minus d and minus d both are same. Now we can take their LCM easily. 4f over, sorry, we have to take LCM first. 2f minus d and 2f minus d both are same, so 2f minus d will be taken as common, and 5 and 3 both are different, so different will be also taken in the LCM. So 5 3s are 15, 15 will be written here as the LCM. Now when 15 into 2f minus d, this LCM is divided by this one, by this 5 into 2f minus d. 2f minus d will be cancelled out by this, and when 15 is divided by 5, answer is 3, so 3 will be multiplied by the numerator. Numerator was 4f, so we will divide it by 3. In the same way, this plus sign will be written, and this whole LCM will be divided by this one. You know that 2f minus d will be cancelled out, and when 15 is divided by this 3, 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 here, so we will write here 2d into 5, 2 from the numerator, and now multiply these. 4 3s are 12, 12f here, and plus 2 5s are 10, 10d here. After division, then 15 into 2f minus d. Now you see that we can take a common from these two. From these two terms, take 2 as common. We can divide both by 2. After taking 2 as common, you see that 2f 6f plus 2 5s are 10, 5d over 15 into 2f minus d. After this taking common, we can't do nothing. We can't cancel out any number, not these number nor these terms of algebraic expression. So it means that this is our answer. We no need to solve this step further. CD part. See its denominator 2u minus 8 can be simplified. So simplify it. u plus 1 over 2 can be taken as common. So u minus 8 can be divided by 2. Answer is 4. 4 u minus 4. This minus sign. U plus 2 over 12 and 3 can be divided by 3. 3 will be taken as common. 3 4s are 12. 4 here, and minus 3 divided by 3, answer 1. So only u here. This is 4 and this is minus u. Now you see that u minus 4 and 4 minus u need new arrangement. So I am going to arrange these. U plus 1 over 2 into u minus 4, and from here u plus u plus 2 over 3 into minus u plus 4. This minus u here and plus 4 here. Now u plus 1 over 2 into u minus 4 minus u plus 2 over minus 3. This minus 3 when brought out of the bracket, so u, this plus sign will change due to this minus sign, it will become minus 4. Now u plus 1 over 2 into u minus 4, this minus and this minus makes plus, u plus 2 over 3 into u minus 4. Now see the denominator, u minus 4, these are same will be taken one time, u minus 4 in the LCM, and 2 3s are 6, 2 and 3 are different will also be taken as common, taken as LCM, so 2 3s are 6 will be here. Now divide this by this one. When you will divide, u minus 4 can be cancelled out, and when 6 is divided by 2, answer is 3, so write 3 here and u plus 1, then this plus sign, and when this 6 into u minus 4 is divided by this one, u minus 4 is cancelled, and 6 when divided by 3, answer will be 2, so we will write here 2 into u plus 2 here. Now you can see that 3u plus 3 ones are 3 here, and 2u plus 2 twos are 4 here, and in the denominator you will write same u minus 4. Now 3u plus 2u makes 3u and 2u same will be written near each other, and plus 3 and plus 4 same terms are written together, u minus 4, 3 and 2 makes 5, and 3 plus 4 makes 7, 6 over 6 into u minus 4. See here E part, you see the denominator 9 and minus 6 need to simplify, and 4 minus 6 and also need to simplify, so I am going to simplify the denominator so that we can take common. 3 can be taken as common from 9 and minus 6, 3 3s are 9, 3n, and 3 2s are 6, 2 here, minus m plus 3, take 2 as common, and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, sorry, minus 2 3s are 6. Now you see here 3n minus 3n, arrangement is different. Arrange this term, 3n minus 2, m plus 3 over 2 into minus 3n plus 2 here. This plus 2 is written here, minus 3n is written before to make this arrangement. Now 2m minus 5 over 3 into 3n minus 2, and this minus sign here, m plus 3 over minus 2, this minus has been brought out of bracket, into 3n. Due to this minus sign, inner sign is changed, minus 2. Now 2m minus 5 over 3 into 3n minus 2, minus minus makes plus, m plus 3 over minus minus makes plus over 2 into 3n minus 2. Now you can see that both the denominators have same 3n minus 2. 3n minus 2 can be taken as common, and there is 2 and 3 that is not common, and we also take not common in the LCM. So 2 3s are 6. We will divide this 6 into 3n minus 2 by first denominator of first fraction, and you know that 3n minus 2 can be cancelled out, and 6 when divided by 3, answer is 2, and 2 will be multiplied by the numerator. Then plus sign here, when 6 into 3n minus 2 is divided by this denominator 2 into 3n minus 2, when this is divided it becomes 6 only, and when 6 is divided by 2, answer is 3, and we will write here 3, and m plus 3 will be multiplied by this number. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10 plus 3m, 3 multiplied by m 3m, and 3 multiplied by 3, answer is 9 here, divided by the LCM minus 2. Now bring the same number together, 4m plus 3m minus 10 and plus 9, same numbers has been written together, over 6 into 3n minus 2. You know that 4m and 3m can be added and it makes 7m, and minus 10 and plus 9 have different signs, so we will subtract and we will write the sign of bigger term, that is minus 10. Answer is 1. When 9 is removed from 10, answer is 1 over 6 into 3n minus 2. Dear students, see here, k square minus 1 and k minus 1, both the denominator are different, so we and also complex, and we want to make them simple. You know that k square minus 1 square is the same as a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b, and this denominator is already simple, so k minus 1 will be written as such. Here 3 over k plus 1 and k minus 1, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, and here 2 over k minus 1. You know that it is already simplified now, and we can take k minus 1, k minus 1 as common. Common is taken one time, k minus 1, and k plus 1 is not common, and not common is also taken in the LCM. This is our LCM, and we will divide it by this one. Only one will be the answer because both are same and they will cancel out each other. So answer is 1 here, and 3 when multiplied by 1, answer will remain 3. And when this denominator or LCM is divided by this one, k minus 1 can be cancelled and only this one will remain, k plus 1, and we will write it here into k plus 1. Now you see here 3 ones are 3, and when 2 multiplied by k, answer is 2k, and when 2 multiplied by 1, answer is 2, and here k plus 1 into k minus 1. Now you see here 2k is same term, we will write it here, and 3 plus 2 are same, so 3 plus 2 makes 5 here, and in the denominator you can write the same. Dear student, I mistakenly write here f part of question number 2. It is actually the f part of question number 2, and we have to solve f part of question number 3. See f part of question number 3 here. P minus q and 8q minus 8p. We need to simplify it first. H plus k over p minus q and plus 3h plus k over, take 8 as common, q minus p. When we take 8 as common, so q and p will remain inside the bracket. Now you see here h plus k over p minus q. Here is q minus p, so we need some other arrangement. I am going to change the arrangement. Minus p plus q here. This minus p is written first and this plus q is written later. Now h plus k over p minus q plus 3h plus k over minus 8 into p. Due to this minus sign, the sign will change, minus q. Now h plus k over p minus q plus minus 3h plus k over 8 into p minus q. And you know that this plus minus has changed into minus, and p minus q is same, so we will take same as common, p minus q, and 8 is not common, it will also be taken as LCM. When you will divide this number by this one, p minus q is cancelled, only 8 will remain our answer. So we will write 8 here, and h plus k will be multiplied by this number, and this minus sign here. When you will divide it by this one, the answer is 1, and we will write here 1. The answer will be written here h plus k, 3h plus k. Now we have to multiply these. 8 when multiplied by h, it will become 8h plus 8k minus 3h, and plus this, due to this minus sign, the sign will change, it will become plus minus minus, so we will write here minus k, and in the denominator LCM will be written 8 into p minus q. Now you see that 8h and minus 3k both are same terms. 8h minus 3h, and then plus 8k and minus k. Same terms are written together. In the denominator it will remain same, and here from 8 you can remove 3, answer is 5h, and from 8 you can remove 1, answer is plus 7k. I have subtracted these because both are opposite sign, plus 8h and minus 3h, and plus 8k and minus 1k. Because both signs are opposite, therefore we will subtract, and we will write the sign of bigger term, that is 8k, so plus 7k after removing minus 1k. And in the denominator 8 into p minus q will remain same. See here 6x minus 6y and 3y minus 3x. Both the denominators are different and complex. So simplify it by taking common. 6 can be taken as common, x minus y, and from here 2x square over 3 can be taken as common, y minus x. Now after taking common 5x square over 6 into x minus y, we need some arrangement, and we know that we have to change the place of these values minus x plus y, so that x minus y it should be same. Now see here 5x square over 6 into x minus y minus 2x square over minus 3. This minus has been brought out, and x minus y, due to this minus sign, inner sign will be changed. Now I am going to write it here. First step is here 5x square over 6 into x minus y. This minus sign and this minus sign, minus makes plus here, and then 2x square over this minus plus, and 2x square over 3 into x minus y. Now you can see x minus y are same, so x minus y will be taken as common, and 3 and 6, these are also same. There is a common 3 in them. You should need to take LCM like that. 6x minus y, this term, and then 3 into x minus y, other term. You can take its LCM. If x minus y is taken as a common, 6 will be here will be 1, and 3 will be here will be 1. Now you can take 3 as common, so 3 2s are 6, 2 as common, and 3 1s are 3, 1 here. Now if you take, you can divide it by 2, 2 1s are 2 and 1, 2 3s are 6, so 2 3s are 6 into x minus y. This is our LCM. 2 3s are 6, 6 into x minus y, 2 multiplied by 3 into x minus y. This is our LCM. LCM here. Now divide it by this one. There will be 1 only, because both are same, and 6 into x minus y divided by 6 into x minus y, answer is 1. So we will write here 1 here, and this plus sign here. When 6 into x minus y is divided by 3 into x minus y, x minus y will be cancelled, and when 6 is divided by 3, answer is 2. So we will write here 2 into x square. Now multiply these. 5x square when multiplied by 1, answer is same, and 2 2s are 4, 4x square here over 6 into x minus y. Now 5x and 4x makes 9x square, and 6 into x minus y. You can cancel out these two. 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. So answer will become 3x square over 2 into x minus y. See here, there are 3 fractions, and these are separated by plus and minus sign, so we will take LCM, and we know that they need to simplify their denominator are complex to some extent, and we need to simplify these. 2 can be taken as common, so 2y, 4 when divided by 2, answer is 2, minus z here, minus 2x over, we can't take anything common, z minus 2y will remain same, and plus from here 5, we can take 3 as common, and then 3z z minus 3 2s are 6, 2y will remain inside the bracket, 3 2s are 6. Now you can see that z minus 2y are same, but here it is different, so we need to change its arrangement. Let us change the arrangement of this number. 2 into minus z plus 2y, these will remain same, z minus 2y plus 5 over 3 into z minus 2y. Now after changing the arrangement, minus 2 into z minus 2y, because due to this minus sign we have changed the inner sign. You can see here, this minus can be written here, and 2 into z minus 2y, these are our denominator, which are same, z minus 2y, all the denominator are same, z minus 2y, only 3 and 2 are different, so we will take same as their common, z minus 2y will be taken only one time, and this 3 and 2 will be multiplied, 3 2s are 6, 6 into z minus 2y is our LCM. Divide this number by this, whole will be cancelled, and 6 will be divided by 2, answer is 3, 3 will be written here into 3x, this minus sign here, when this is divided by this one, answer is 6 only, and 6 will be written here in this way. When you will divide this number by this one, it will be cancelled, and only 6 will be divided by 3, answer will be 2, 3 2s are 6, so 2 into 5 here. Now 3 3s are 9, 9x minus 6 2s are 12, 12x plus 2 5s are 10, 10 here, and denominator will remain same, z minus 2y. Now you know that both have different sign, so we will subtract, answer will be of bigger term negative, so answer is 3x. When you will remove 9 from 12, answer is 3, and plus 10 here, divided by 6 into z minus 2y. Now you see here, you can cancel out these, sorry, there was minus sign here, here was minus sign, and due to this minus sign we will add these two terms, and minus 12 and minus 9 will make minus 21. We will write here minus 21 and plus 10. Now cancel out these if possible, but we can't cancel these because minus 21x is being added to this 10, and we should change the arrangement to little extent. 10 should be written first and then minus 21x later, so that minus 21x can be shown that it is only of this term. 6 into z minus 2y, 10 minus 21x into 6 into z minus 2y. This is our final answer. And this whole question has been done. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.